Hello children, welcome to channel Sube. Children, today I am going to discuss question number 37 from the MCQ part of 2022-23 Physics New Syllabus paper. The length of a uniform glass tube AB sealed at both ends is 100 cm. It is kept horizontally and 10 cm long mercury column is trapped at the middle when both air columns P and Q are at temperature 27 centigrade degrees and same pressure. If the temperature of the air columns P and Q are increased to 47 centigrade and 127 centigrade respectively, what will be the difference between the lengths of the two air columns? Neglect the expansion of mercury and glass. 5 cm, 6 cm, 8 cm, 10 cm, 12 cm. So the diagram is given like this. So children, these types of questions normally you solve in physics as well as in chemistry also, I think. So therefore this question is it can't be a difficult one, because in both subjects we solve these types of, we means you solve, I don't do because I solve only physics. So let us draw the diagram so that we can solve it. So there are two incidents. So first one is given in the question. So I use blue color to show the gas column, air column, and then what they have done, increase the temperature of P column to 47 centigrades and P and Q are increased to 47 and 127 centigrade. So this one is greater, right side is greater temperature wise, so therefore the expansion is greater here, because the temperature is greater. I color it using red color. Since this side has lower temperature 47, therefore I use a light color. So what happens, due to expansion of the air column, this mercury thread must move to left side like this. It was at the beginning it was at the center, but now since this right side is higher, the temperature of the right side is higher than the left side, what happens, the expansion is greater, therefore this mercury column must move to the left side like this. So now at equilibrium state, suppose the length of this side, the length of this side is, length of the air column of this side is, say, suppose x, then the length of the air column at right side must be 90 minus x, because altogether the tube is 100 centimeter, so we have to subtract this 10 centimeter, then 90 centimeter altogether the lengths of this both air columns. So left side is x, so the right side must be 90 minus x. So here this, the length of this air column is 45 centimeter and length of this air column also is 45 centimeter, because how we got that value, The total length of the tube is 100 centigrade, so we have to subtract this mercury column, the length of the mercury column, that is 10 centimeters. So all these two air columns must have 90 centimeters. So since this left and right air columns are equal in length, so 90 divided by 2, 45 we get. But here the air columns are not equal. The lengths of air columns are not equal because the temperature at right side is greater than left side. So therefore we don't know the length of this air column at left side, so we denote it by x, and then the rest is 90 minus x. So now let us first of all convert the centigrade degrees, the temperature values, to Kelvin values. You have to add 273 to this centigrade value, so we get 300 Kelvin here instead of this 27. Kelvin, here also 300 Kelvin. You know that what we have to do, to centigrade value we have to add 273 degrees, then we get the Kelvin value, 300 Kelvin. Here also capital K. So this one is greater than this 27. 47 is 20 centigrade increased than 300 Kelvin, so 320 here. Understood? Because we have written 300 Kelvin for 27 centigrade. Then here 47 centigrade here, so 20 degrees greater, 27, 37, 47. So this side also should be 20 degrees greater than 200, 320 Kelvin, like that. Or otherwise you can just add 273 to 47. 47 plus 273. So 0, 1, no, 0, 8, 20, 3. So like this you get that value. So here 127 is greater than 27, 100 degrees increased than 27. 100 degrees increased than 27. So if 27 is 300, here it should be 400, because 127. So 100 degrees greater. So like that you can write the Kelvin values. So regarding this mass of air column, so what happened? It has been changed, increased the temperature to this state. So this air column, the right side air column, is here now, so it is also heated up to 400 Kelvin like this. So you can't change the air columns, you have to get the same air column when we write equations. What is the equation we are going to write? The equation of state. P1 V1 divided by T1 equals P2 V2 divided by T2. So that is the equation we are going to use. So since this air column is at equilibrium, that means it doesn't move, so therefore the pressures at both sides must be equal. Therefore we write P. So here also the pressure is P. So after moving this air column to left side like this, finally it is at the equilibrium state. That means furthermore it doesn't move left or right. So therefore it is also at a certain equilibrium state, but the temperature is increased here at both sides. So the pressure is something else. So therefore we denote it by P dash, and this side also should be P dash, because the both sides the pressures must be equal, because the air column is not moving left or right. But the P dash is greater than P because this one is heated up. So now let us write the equation for this one, this change. P1 is P, V1 is 45 centimeter times cross sectional area. Cross sectional area is capital A, because we need the volume. So this one is the length. If we multiplied it by the cross sectional area, we get the volume. So P1 V1 is okay, divided by T1. T1 is 300 Kelvin equals, now this side, this one, because initially the air column was like this, and finally air column is like this. So P2 is P dash now, V2 is X time capital A. Capital A is the cross sectional area, divided by T2 is 320. So we can cancel capital A, so we get, and also we can cancel one of these zeros, and also we can simplify, divide by 5, so 9 here, divide by 5, then 6 here. Furthermore we can divide by 3, 2 here, divide by 3, 3. Then we get 3P divided by 2 equals P dash X divided by 32. Okay, so let us stop here for a moment. Then let us write the equation for the right side air column. So let us write the equation. P1 is this one, P2 is this one, P1 is P. Let us mark the topic for B, no, not B, Q. The topic is for Q. Here the topic is for P, PP. Topic is P, for the air column P, for the air column Q. Q to Q. So pressure is P, this P, times volume is 45 times capital A, divided by 300 Kelvin. These values are equals, so from here and to this one, P2 is P dash, volume is A times 90 minus X divided by temperature 400. So you can simplify 0 0, then 6 times, then 9 times again, two times, 3 times, divided by 3. So 3 times P, so A cancel, divided by 2 equals P dash in brackets 90 minus X divided by 40. This one is second equation. So what we have to find out is X. What we have to find out is this X, because the lengths of what they ask is difference between the lengths of two air columns. So we have to find out X, and then easily we can find out this one, and we can then find out the difference. So to find out X, we have to eliminate this P dash and also this P. We have to remove that. So the easiest thing is, from equation 1, 3P divided by 2 is there, also here 3P divided by 2 here. So instead of that we can substitute this part, right side, we can substitute here P dash X divided by 32 is equal to this one, here it is equal to this one also, then equals P dash 90 minus X divided by 40. What did we do? From 1 to equation 2. So now P dash cancel, what we get is X divided by 32 equals 90 minus X divided by 40. So we can divide by 8, 8 times 8, 4 times 8, 5 times. Okay, then cross multiplication, 5x equals 4 times 90 minus 4 times x. So 4 times 90 is 0, 36, 4x, here 5x. We take this one to this side, left side, so altogether 9x equals 36, 0. So divide by 9, how much? 90, 36, so we get 40 centimeter. So x is 40 centimeter. Now we go back to our diagram. X is 40 centimeter, then 90 minus x is 90 minus 40, then we get 50. So the air columns are 40 centimeter and 50 centimeter. So the difference is 10 centimeter. So the answer is this one, fourth one. So let us check the answer sheet. 37, fourth one, no? So correct, fourth one. So I think you understood. This one is not a big issue. You have to solve without getting confused these air columns. This from this to this and from this to this. If you write equation, so then it is wrong. You can't exchange. If you take the left side air column, so you have to write the equation, the left side of the equation, and write for the right side you have to use the same left side air column. If you started writing the equation for right side air column, and you have to finish using the same air column for the right side of the equation as well. So let us try to do some target questions now. So children, here is our target question number 1. So read the question carefully. I have done some little alterations. So try to solve it on your own without looking at my answer. Pause the video first and start. So since you have paused the video, now I am going to try this question. So to save time, I have drawn the diagrams. So as previous, take the pressures as P. So the total length of this tube is 100. So you have to subtract this 10 centimeter, the length of the mercury column, to get the total sum of these two air columns. So that is 90. So since air columns are same in length, so divide by 90, we get 45 as previous. So this bulb has 50 cubic centimeter, the volume. This one also 50. The cross sectional area is given 1 square centimeter. So the temperatures are 300 and 300 Kelvin. So since the temperature is 400 here in this bulb and 320 Kelvin here in this bulb, so this right side is greater temperature wise. So therefore the expansion is greater at right side. Therefore the mercury column moves to the left from the center. So I have moved it already. So the center is this one. So to save time, I have moved this to the left side. So take the new length of this air column as x as previous. So this right side air column is 90 minus x, because totally this one is 100. So minus 10, that is the length of the mercury column. So we get the length of both air columns as 90. So say this one is x, so this side is 90 minus x. So now the pressure is not the previous value, because this one is heated up. So take the pressure as P dash, the new pressure. So this side also has the same pressure, because this mercury column is at equilibrium state, not moving left or right. So the pressures at both sides must be equal. Therefore if the right side is if we get the right side as P dash, then the left side must be P dash 2. So now let us write the equation for left side. For left side, I take this like this. I do like this because then you will understand easily. Only I am going to write the equation for left side. So this one converted into this state. So P1 V1 over T1 equals P2 V2 over T2. So this one, the pressure P1 is P, V1 is this 50 cubic centimeter and the volume of this air column. So therefore in brackets 50 plus the length is 45, length times the cross sectional area, it is 1 square centimeter. So this is the total volume. This is the volume of the bulb, this is the volume of the air column. So therefore we don't have to write this 1, just this one divided by 300. Cross sectional area is 1 now. Understood? Just 45 centimeter is equal to 45 cubic centimeter, because cross sectional area is 1 square centimeter. It is given here. So now equals, the pressure is P dash now, the volume is here 50, the bulb has 50 cubic centimeter, plus this air column has x cubic centimeter, just x, because actually x times 1, the cross sectional area is 1, so we don't have to write 1, therefore just you can write x, divided by, what is the temperature, 320, 320. So we are not going to simplify totally, just we add this 2, we get 95 divided by 30, say. This 0 we can cancel, but we don't simplify more than that. If we do, we will be in trouble. P dash 50 plus x divided by 32. So this one is 1. So let us write the equation to the right side. Again P1 is P, V1 is 50 plus 45. Since cross sectional area is 1, if cross sectional area were 2 cubic centimeter, how to get 50 plus 2 times 45, like that. You have to convert this length into cubic centimeters, but now the cross sectional area is 1, therefore just 45, divided by this, the total volume, the temperature 300, equals P dash, the pressure, new pressure, volume 50 plus this 50, you have to keep in mind volume of the bulb, plus 90 minus x, x times 1, actually times 1, we don't have to write that, divided by 400. Let us cancel only this 0, then we get P times 95 divided by 30 equals P times 90, 100, 140 minus x divided by 40. This one is second one. So we have got this term equal in both equations. So what we do, we can substitute this part to this one, like this. From 1 to the second equation. So P dash cancel, then 50 plus 6 divided by 32 equals 140 minus 6 divided by 40. Now what you have to do, just simplify now. So 8 times 4, 8 times 5, okay, then cross multiplication. 50 times 5 is 250 plus 5x equals 4 times 140, 560, then minus 4x. Take this 4x to this side, altogether 9x, then 560 minus 250, 560 minus 250, 0, 1, 3, 3, 1, 0. So x equals 310 divided by 9 centimeter. 310 divided by 9. 310 divided by 9. Yes, the answer, the first one. It is not difficult. Slowly, carefully, you have to simplify, and you have to get the volume. Remember to convert this length to cubic centimeters by multiplying the cross-sectional area. So now I think your answer may be correct. So let us find up. Let us find up. So children, I think you are happy. If you are happy, you know what you have to do. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do it right now, otherwise you will forget it. And also help me by sharing my link among your friends to increase my audience a little bit. Already some people have done. Now my audience is a little bit greater, so thank you very much for those. And also press the thumb up button. That means give me a like for this video. If you give likes, then only this video is pushed by YouTube automatically, otherwise it will go to a corner. So therefore please give me a like if you are generous. And also there's another thing what you have to do. Press the bell icon so that you get the message as soon as I uploaded the video. So children, thank you very much for watching my videos, and also for subscribing my channel. Thank you very much, and for sharing my link among your friends. I think you are generous, you are not jealous. And also for giving me likes for this video. So children, see you tomorrow at 6 o'clock in the evening. Goodbye.